Good morning everyone. I'm going to teach you GK. So let's start chapter number 6 around the world. First is world civilization. First of all, tell me what is the meaning of civilization? Civilization means the society, culture and the way of life of a particular area. Early man lived in forest and moved from place to place. Slowly he learned to live in groups. Then these groups had their own laws, grew crops, and they were exchanging their own things with the another group member, another groups, not another group member, with the another groups. Then with time, population increased. Thus, different civilization came into existence in different parts of the world. In this chapter, we will learn about different types of civilization. So first one is Mesopotamian civilization. Mesopotamia, it is the region between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, and it is this Mesopotamian civilization is one of the world's first two civilization, which is the another. Egyptian civilization is the another. So these two are the world's first two civilization. Next one is Olmec civilization. It is one of the greatest civilization of America, and people of that time lived in swampy lowland of Gulf of Mexico. Means swampy means forested wetland. These are the wetland areas. Next, the people, they worshipped a jaguar god, and the people, they were known as the people of the jaguar. Next is Egyptian civilization. It is ancient civilization in northeastern Africa. It is one of the sixth global civilization which arose independently. Next, Sumerian civilization. Sumerian, the greatest achievement of this civilization is to discover cuneiform system of writing. Cuneiform means wedge shape, like this. In ancient time, people, these people, they were used smooth surface of clay, and they used sharp stick of made of wood to write on the smooth surface of clay. Next one is Indus Valley civilization. This civilization, people, they were having the great knowledge of urban planning and efficient municipal government. They also constructed houses which protected them from noise, smell and thieves. Next is Chinese civilization. The Yellow River is said to be the cradle of this civilization, means land of origin. Yellow River, land of origin of this civilization. Next chapter is international organizations. International organizations are of two types: intergovernmental organization and non-governmental international organization. This first organization, it is formed between nations by a governmental agreement, and the second one, it is depend upon individual and community donations, but both work for human development and relief. So first one is the North Atlantic Treaty Organization. This is formed in this came into existence in 1949, and it is designed to promote the stability of the North Atlantic area and to safeguard the freedom of its people based on the principles of democracy, individual liberty and the rule of law. Second one is the Association of Southeast Asian Nations. This is intergovernmental organization comprising 10 member states, and it is formed by Indonesia, Malaysia, the Philippines, Singapore and Thailand on August 8, 1967. Next, Organization for Security and Cooperation in Europe. It is a regional security organization that works on early warning, conflict prevention, crisis management, that is when the nation is in danger, and the post-conflict rehabilitation in the European and Eurasian region. It means program designed for improving the affected society and people. Next one is General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade. This came into force on 1st January 1948, and it works under World Trade Organization. And next organization, European Economic Community. It is also popularly known as common market, and it is the group of 12 West European nations, and they seek to pool their economies. They are trying to get the advantages by using their country resources. Next, the Commonwealth. It is originally known as the British Commonwealth of Nations, and it consists of 53 nations, and it brings together developed and developing countries across the world. Next one is playing the game sports quiz. This you can do by using page number 71. Next is legends of sports. Here are some famous persons, sportsmen are there. Next, first one is Michael Schumacher. He began competitive go-kart racing by age 12, and he won the World Driver Championship for a record 7 times. Next is Cassius Clay. He is the former American professional boxer. Next, Arnold Palmer. He is an American professional golfer and one of the greatest player in men's professional golf history. Next, Kenenisa Bekele. He belongs to, he is an Ethiopian long distance runner who hold the world record and Olympic record in both the 5,000 meters and 10,000 meters events. Next, Emmanuel Ginobili, Argentine men's member of Argentine men's national basketball team, and also play for Saint Antonio Spurs in the National Basketball Association. Next, Martina Navratilova. She won the Czech national championship at the age of 15, and she had won 18 Grand Slam singles title, including 9 Wimbledon singles titles. Next is Johnny Weissmuller. He was an Austro-Hungarian American swimmer. Next, last one is Sir Don Bradman. He had a career test batting average of 99.94. Next, Asian Game 2018. You can do easily this page number 26. You can solve this page by using page number 71. Thank you.